So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can change the display language of your Gmail, which you use on your web browser. You can do the same process on any browser in your PC. For this video I'm using the Chrome browser. By changing the language display language of your Gmail, you get it very handy, so that you will able to set it to the language you prefer the most, and it will be easier for you to understand all the features of the Gmail. And if you are a regular Gmail user, you may need to use all the features of the Gmail. So in order to change the display language of your Gmail, all you have to do is to just simply open login and open the Gmail in on any browser. For example, if I just simply open my Chrome browser and go to the Gmail account of mine. When I click this, yeah, now you see I am in the Gmail of my account, and in order to change the display language, all I have to do is to just simply click on the option of settings. You can see the settings is right there. When I click there, you can see the option of again a small window will open right in front of you, where I have to click on the option of see all settings. When I click there, you can see all the settings has been visible right in front of me. Now all I have to do is to just simply find an option of language. You can see the language option is just right there in the general settings. You may see in the various windows for settings as well. You have to come back to the general option, and then you at the top see the option of language, the Gmail display language. When you click there, you can select the language as per your convenience. There are multiples of the language available for you. You can select any of the language. Now just by clicking over there, you can select any of the language as per your convenience. You can see the various languages are available right in front of you. You can select the language as per your convenience, or the language you prefer the most. When you are done with the selection, just simply click on the option you want. When you click over there, you can see the settings has been updated. You can choose any language as you want. You don't need to save or anything, just simply select the option that you want, and the settings has been changed for you. So by this method you can easily change the settings of your Gmail account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.